absolutely gorgeous day. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving here in Canada, and I'm going for a walk with Nora and Willie and Penny. It's absolutely gorgeous. We are here in a path. Look at these beautiful trees. They look absolutely gorgeous. My favorite time of the year. Gorgeous temperature. And look how green the grass and the tree changing color.
It's the same way. I stopped it. It's okay. You got sun.
Absolutely gorgeous day, but when the sun goes, it gets a little chilly. Today was raining in the morning, but the weather changed and it's absolutely gorgeous. Coming out for a nice hike in this beautiful path, especially with the leaf change. It's absolutely gorgeous. Here you can feel the wind a little bit more. The temperature is 10, so with the wind it's like little knives. But it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the woodpecker, Nor. There in the tree. Look.
Nice. It's naughty.
It's okay. I eat it.
Yellow.
We're going back. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous day. Amazing, amazing hike. Beautiful scenery. And I'm glad I have this jacket on because inside the forest with the sun, sometimes go behind the clouds, it's really cold. So absolutely gorgeous. Well, I'm gonna finish here this little vlog. I just wanted to show you how beautiful the temperature, the weather, everything. So I'm hiking with Nora and Willian and Penny, of course. There they go. We're going to Nora's house, starving, a little bit of hike, work an appetite. We have a big breakfast today, and I wasn't hungry when I started my hike, but I was telling Nora, I'm starving now. So William got a hat, he removed his jacket, and there is Nora driving and Penny. This is literally 2 minutes from Nora's house, this beautiful path.
Well, they did a nice job here. Wow.
Oh no,
What?
our trees are red.
I'm going to Nora's work, and I'm gonna have the VIP treatment. Got shopping with the store closed. It's open for me. Well, if you visit Ottawa, you can come to Nora's store to buy a nice warm coat. If you come during the winter season, fall or spring, and the summertime, you can buy beautiful summer clothes here. This is free advertisement for Nora's store. Look at this jacket, look like granny square, but it's not. It's the color of the material that is made look like granny squares. Interesting. Look how beautiful and warm this coat. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is small size and it fits perfect. And look at the beautiful one Nora's buying. It's a shame they don't have my size because that's my favorite color. It looks amazing. Gorgeous. I love this. I have one like this, but in black. Absolutely gorgeous. But black go with everything, so. This is absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm gonna get this one. I love it. I love red. It's my size. Perfect. And I can change the fur with the one that I have from the black coat because it will go with this too for a change. This is not my favorite part.